Hello. Maybe if you can listen to me, I think so. It's good enough. Audio is good enough. Okay, today we are going to look into how to solve the Tinytex error on RStudio because whenever we want to knit here, we want to use this knit function. We have a problem. It gives some type of error. So let's create one new file, and I will intentionally do it will do some errors to get that error or some kind of error from the RStudio when we text it to PDF. This video is about PDF, not about HTML or something which called HTML always works, but for PDF it has a problem. Okay, I am creating a new markdown file. Let's say this one is example. Okay, maybe if I can zoom it a bit, it will be better. How can I zoom it? Yeah, command equal. Okay, command. Okay, it's a normal command. Okay, anyways, we have created a this one. So first step is change this to PDF. Okay, so that we get the PDF. Okay, so let's first knit it. If we get the error, I guess we will not. Save it to downloads. Rendering. Okay, so we are able to get the PDF. Till now we are good to go. Let's say I create a problem somewhere after this, after the YAML, this line. Let's create begin, and I write dollars something, then dollars, then begin equation maybe. Yeah, if I'm doing it right. Yeah, begin. Just I am using the LaTeX command here. Let's see what happens. I have done some things if it gives us errors. Still it is giving us the good PDF. um, let's say I say something, and I write something like command 1, command 2, command 5, some kind of odd comments. I save it. Let's see if I able to knit it now. Okay. Okay, we have. And I just wanted to show you, if we hover over the equations, we will be able to see the output in the LaTeX here. That's a good thing here. Okay, so this is giving us errors in YAML. Let's get rid of this. It should be. Let me uncheck that. Tools, global options, sweep, use Tinytex. Okay, So I am not using Tinytex. Let's say I change it to Yatter Knitter. Now let's see what happens. Still errors. What I have to do to place some errors here? A square plus b square equal to c square, and I say delta x without any dollar sign. Let's see if I get the error. I guess we need to fix the font, or maybe that's why we get some error in the style form, which we say. So let's say I put this one to, okay, now we have some kind of error. Error is, let me show it to you if I can move, if people will be able to see it. I guess I have to remove myself from the stream. Okay, so we get this kind of error: LaTeX failed to compile. Here, LaTeX failed to compile. So all the people see this kind of errors in the Tinytex in RStudio. So we should not um, focus on this line. Okay, before we have to look here, what is the problem? Okay, so if we were able to knit it or doing it in LaTeX, we should have seen this kind of errors in overleaf or somewhere on Text Studio or Text Maker or anything, because this is giving us an error from LaTeX. Okay, so let's say if I change my document to, I say LaTeX underscore engine equal to z LaTeX. Sorry, it is not changing color, so there is a problem. Okay, let's say what I have. I did this. Let's see what happens. So this is giving us some kind of YAML error. Okay, maybe we have to go to next line. If we will be able to get the PDF now. Okay, so we have the PDF. Let me show you how it has solved that problem. So that's and one of the options. And how I got that, let me show you the PDF maybe. So this is the PDF which we equation we wrote. Because we did not put the dollar sign, that's why it is, at least we got the PDF. That's the problem in our using R markdown to convert it to PDF. We do not get the uh, output PDF. So that's one of the errors you have to resolve. Change LaTeX engine to Z LaTeX, and then you will be able to convert it to PDF. And if we convert it to PDF, it means we have the TEX file from the Pandoc as well. So we can upload that to Overleaf or something, and then we can resolve there, or we can resolve here as well. So at least we have the TEX file. If we do not, if the R markdown do not convert it to TEX file after knitting, it means do not convert it to PDF file after knitting, it means we do not have the TEX file, the good TEX file with the or of the command which we have just written. Okay, so anyways, let's go back to, you have to see my face till now. Sorry, maybe I have to first close this, and then I will be able to. I am not able to remove. Okay, so now we got the PDF, and let me show you the options I have ticked on the packages. On packages, I have, let me check if I have tiny latex checked in, because that's an important issue to show. Otherwise, you will get uh, the things to do on this, uh, on that error which we got before. If we, for example, if we put it back to hashtag, and we will be able to view that error. Okay, so you can go to this link for other kind of problems. This will suggest you to reinstall the Tinytex, or install it properly. So to install Tinytex, what you have to do, you have to go to console here. You have to write install packages Tinytex. Okay, then it will install it. After that, what you have to do, after the installing, you have to do Tinytex double this one, and then install Tinytex. You have to run this command. Okay, and after that, you have two options. You can either use library Tinytex. Okay, okay, single this brackets. The first option is this one. You either do library, or you go to Tinytext and you check this one. How I got the PDF? I unchecked this. Okay, I did not check it because I have Mac OS and I have Mac Text downloaded from the internet, and it has lots of packages. The other option is you check this. You go to uh, preferences, tools, global options. You go to tools, global options. Then you go to Sweave and you check this as well. Even if you do not check this, even if you do not check this, you change your latex engine to ZLatex, and then you will be able to get the PDF. Okay, thank you. Maybe I will help any if you guys have any questions, or you can go to LaTeX GitHub. Okay, thank you.